Hello viewers, welcome to Learner Key. In this video, we'll discuss how to do an internship that is provided by Infosys Springboard. So this is the landing page of Infosys Springboard. The link to this page will be provided in the description. You just go to that and click on login. So now the process to the registration process. The process of registration in Infosys Springboard will also be provided in the description. You just go to the link, complete the process and log in to it. So as I have already completed my process, I'm just logging in using my Google credentials. So once you enter your Google credentials, so this is how the page will be. So now just click on top left 3 lines. Now go to internship. And now a separate portal will be opened. That is, it will have some options like home, about, how does it work, projects, so on. So this will tell you what is the criteria, what is the selection criteria, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the important timeline, so on. So now click on about, and here we'll see what is the eligibility criteria. So the minimum qualification to do an internship in Infosys Springboard is 12th standard, or else a person who is also pursuing graduation or undergraduation, or a person who has already completed graduation or undergraduation can do this course. Any BTech student, MTech student, MCA student, any computer science or non-computer science student can do this course. So that is the first eligibility criteria. Next, if you are interested, you should complete a course called Overview of Infosys Springboard, and you should score a minimum of 60% in the self-assessment that will be present at the end of the course. So after this, we should complete some prerequisite courses related to the project that we do in Infosys Springboard internship, and you should also get a minimum of 60% in the self-assessment, which will be present at the end of the course. So apart from this, if there are any other certifications or any other prerequisite learning paths, all those should also be completed. And after this, you need to fill up a survey form, and that after filling the survey form, you should submit that and click on apply button. So this survey form will be activated when you click on apply button. So this is what is eligibility criteria to apply for internship in Infosys Springboard. So now coming to the selection criteria. So once you have already applied, maybe all the people who have applied for the internship may be selected or else may not be selected. The seats are limited here. And the major criteria here is, that is the major important guidelines for selection to the program is, you should complete an overview of Infosys Springboard course, and all the prerequisites courses and certifications should be completed, and you should have a better performance in the self-assessment. And if there are any certifications, even that certification should also be completed. And you need to fill up a survey form before you enter into an internship. After that, an interview will be conducted by the mentors of Infosys Springboard. And once you are done with the interview, that is if you perform well in the interview, and if there is a very good performance in the qualifying exam of Infosys, that is all the prerequisites that you do, the mentors will be taking the decision whether a person will be selected into the internship or not, and this decision is final. So this is what is selection criteria for internship program by Infosys Springboard. So now once if you are selected, that is once you are selected into the internship program, now we will see what is the completion criteria. So all the interns will get an internship completion certificate on successful completion. So in order to complete that, they should have a minimum attendance, and some meetings and discussions will be happening with the mentors regularly, and the performance during that meetings and discussions should be good with the mentors. And they'll be asking you some project deliverables time to time, and you should contribute to all that project deliverables, and you should submit that in time. Next, considering all this, so decision will be taken by the mentor, and some evaluation process will also take place in order to give the final certificate for the internship program, and the decision will be final by the mentor of this Infosys Springboard. So now we'll see what is the timeline. So now this internship programs will open from November 4th of 2022. So you can start applying for this. So from November 5th to 25th of 2022, you need to find out some projects. I'll tell you how to pick a project. So even that projects is also given here, and you can explore more. You can select your own project, and you can select any project that is of your interest. So once you have selected for a project, so for every project there will be some prerequisites, learning paths, and certifications that you need to complete. So all those should be completed before you start your project during the internship tenure. So once that is also done, you need to prepare for the interview that will be conducted by the project mentors. So once you complete all the prerequisites, that is learning courses and certifications, you'll get a call for the interview. So that will happen from November 5th to 25th. So once this is done, and once you get a call for interview from the mentors of Infosys Springboard, the interview process will happen from November 28th to December 5th of 2022. So now you need to attend all that interview as per the schedule that is given. So once you attend the interview, you'll be allotted with a project that you select during application process. So now once you are selected into the internship, so that project will be allotted to you, and you have to do that project under the guidance of the mentors of Infosys Springboard. So once this is also done, that is once you are already selected, so you'll be doing the internship for 3 months, that is December, January and February. So during this tenure, you'll be continuously interacting with the project mentors, and you'll be designing, implementing and testing the solution for the project title you select, and finally you deploy that particular project at the end of the tenure. So once this is also done, so there will be some evaluation process for the project that you have done, and this will be taken by your project mentors. So during first 2 to 3 weeks, this evaluation process will take place, and at the end of March 2023, so you'll be getting the final internship certificate from Infosys Springboard. So this is the overall timeline for doing and applying the internship provided by Infosys Springboard. And now we will see what are the projects that is already given by Infosys. So just click on projects. So now if you observe here, they have already given some problem statements. So let's check one problem statement, which is called architecting a software project using 4+1 view. So this is the title of your project that you need to do during your internship. So the theme of this is tool development. Category is any undergraduate student. So team size will be 4, and the estimated time for the internship or else project is 10 weeks, that is 2.5 months. And the technology that you need to know in order to do this project is 4+1 view full stack programming. And we'll see one more, which is automation of result analysis. So any undergraduate student can do this. Team size is 3. So this is also for 2.5 months. And the technology is data visualization and reporting. That is, here you need to learn the reporting tools and data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. Suppose consider we are doing this project. Just click on automation of result analysis. So this is how it will be. So the roles is data specialist and business analyst. That is, the team members will be doing these roles: data specialist and business analyst. And these are the system requirements. And if you want to know what are the prerequisites, you just go to related learning and click on the icon that is opposite to that. Just click on that. And now you'll be redirected to some other page where you'll have all the prerequisites for each and every course. So this will have all prerequisite learning paths. So if you observe here, I have some project titles like EasyQ, which is an AI based question and answer generation tool. So these are the prerequisites for that. And I have one more. Like this, you have many more. So all these are the different courses. So we are just trying to identify what are the prerequisites for the project that we have selected, which is called automation of result analysis. So just go back. Go back again, or else you just close this. And here when you click on, just go through each and everything and what are the prerequisites for each and every internship. Alright, so our project title is automation of result analysis. So the prerequisite for this is you should complete programming fundamentals using Python, part 1, part 2, data analysis with Python, mastering Python 3.x, Python for data science, association analysis using Python, learning Microsoft Power BI, next hands-on data visualization with Microsoft Power BI, Power BI for business professionals, Excel basics for data analysis, Python foundation certification, Scrum in practice. So all these are the prerequisites and you need to complete all this courses, and if there is any certifications, even that certification should also be completed. So this is the prerequisite for doing this project called automation of result analysis as part of your internship by Infosys Springboard. So similarly, you can select any of the project title, complete all the prerequisites, and finally try to attend for the interview and try to get shortlisted in the interview. So how to handle interviews and all, that is also given in the learner key. You just go through that, and that will be provided in the description box. So this is how you do internship in Infosys Springboard. So once you check all the prerequisites, just click on apply. So click on start. So here just check the box, and here this is a survey form. As I told you before you apply for any of the internship, you need to fill the survey form and submit this survey form. So once you have submitted, later on you'll be getting a mails regarding the selection process. So once you are selected or else shortlisted, you'll be called for the interview, and finally the further process proceeds, which we have discussed so far. So this is how you do internship by Infosys Springboard. So I suggest all the BTech students and MCA students and any graduate students, it is suggestible to do this internship, and it is worthy, and this will be very much useful when you go for the interview actually, right? So this is how you do internship through Infosys Springboard. So for more queries And for more information, just refer Learner Key channel and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.